Ito po ang DTF machine sa Robinsons na Villages. Honjet 30cm. Araw-araw naman ito nagagamit. Na may 46 meters kaming nairan dito this week. Ito po ang heads. Capping. Head clean. Punasan ng capping. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Nozzle check. Buo naman ang nozzle. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Racing tank nire-reserve every Friday. Ground wire. ABR good and working. Temperature check normal. Ito po ang use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Updated ang workload. Consumable withdrawal updated. Ito naman po yung SRR na dumating. Na-receive na rin po. Weekly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.